Well, let us see what is the next best thing that Blender developers has to offer us. So with that being said and done, what I have prerequisitely done, let me show you. I have gone to file, new, and sculpting. That's it, nothing more. So we are going to see the yellow brushes and click and drag over here so that we could see the names of the brushes. Multi-scrape brush, this actually creates a scraping effect from both the sides and pinches the middle portion towards the top and pushes the other two sides towards the bottom. Now if we go to active tool and if I click and drag this a little bit down over here, so what you can see is there is a plane angle. This is now working with 60-degree angle. This is how this gap looks. If I increase the plane angle to something very higher, what will happen is if I click and drag over here, the plane angle will be more, and the multi-scrape plane, the angle over this part will be more and the angle between this part will be less. So if you want a very sharp crease, then you can use plane angle. So the next option is show cursor preview. If I click and drag over here, you can see there is a red color cursor preview visible over the screen. If I click on this button, it will not show the cursor, it will directly start painting on. Pinch means like this, pinching myself. So pinch is going to do the same thing over here. It is going to bring the geometry closer to each other. Grab, we can grab a part of the mesh and click and drag over outside. Elastic deform, what we can do with the help of elastic deform is we can click and drag over here, and it has more area of influence compared to grab. We can make bigger changes with very organic movement of the whole mesh. Snake hook works something like this because there is less amount of details available. But if I go to Dyn Topo and click this and then come over to Dyn Topo over here and increase this value. Now before increasing this value, I am going to change this to constant detail and use this picker tool and click on this object to get the resolution of this mesh. Currently this mesh has a resolution of 24.27 value, and now if I click and drag, this is going to behave like a snake hook. So that is snake hook. Thumb is something like you are using your thumb to nudge to change the way the mesh is placed. So with the help of thumb we can change the way the mesh is placed. Then is pose brush. You see at the cursor there is a small line. With the help of pose brush we can change the way the brushes will be looking, and it can be used very wonderfully using face sets, which we will be seeing very quickly, and that will depend on how wonderful you are liking this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, leave a wonderful comment. If you want, you can support me by looking the entire ads following on this video completely. And if you want to support me, you can support through Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm on the number 8600647757, or you can financially support me through Patreon's page. Links will be given in the description as well. So remember to do that, and pose brush is going to do that. We are going to see what face sets and how face sets can be used to pose our character. Nudge is like, if this is a mesh, nudge means slightly moving it aside, slightly. So I am clicking on nudge and then I am clicking over here and moving. It's going to move the mesh ever so slightly. Rotate is going to rotate the mesh in one direction. or in the other direction. Slide relax, it is going to relax the mesh by keeping the details. It is not going to affect very harsh smoothing. Like for example, if I use this brush and its smoothing is very harsh, but slide relax will keep the details and help relax the mesh a little bit. Boundary is the brush. I haven't completely figured out what it actually does. If you figure it out or reroute me to some video, I will be very happy for that kind of thing, and you can leave it in comment. So with that being said and done, I hope you are liking these videos. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the share button, and leave a wonderful comment. Till then, I would like you to see this, understand this, and try to do it. Until then, I will see you in the next video.
Veda.